let's see wire management skills. This is basically what I do. I just drop all the cables in the back and say, fuck it. I mean, I do have like tabs and shit like that. Like Velcro tabs I can do, but I'm always in and out of shit, and it's just easier when trying to just pull the cable that I need to take out anyways, and always rearranging shit, so it's like, I barely look back here. But in case anybody was wondering, I just show the cables in the back there, and be done. Yeah, I'm kind of trying something out here, so. But, anyways, toodles.